definitely Krishna. So he should not be like a loss. Don't waste your time. Today you should follow the process given by Srila Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Das Goswami. What you saw in major drama play of Raghunath Das Goswami. I think that most of you were there. Yes. So try to realize this fact. The teachings of your Gurudev, teachings of Srila Rupa Goswami. Don't waste your time in making money. Or to serve all others like Kailash. Otherwise they will give a danda on your back. For whom you are doing so much? They may be your enemy. So try to chant and remember more. Don't believe on money. Money is 3 times. Where there is no money, lamentation and so much suffering. The money is there, oh, how to protect it? Oh, jackets may come at that time and they can take your life and they can take all this. And if it is gone, so in 3 times very suffering. Always lamentation. So don't believe in anything collected by this money. So believe in Krishna name and try to chant more. Try to make your life successful. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh, he has asked so many questions with Raya Ramananda. Oh, who is Raya Ramananda? One of the 5 sons of Bhavananda. Mahaprabhu used to call him Pandu. And among 5 sons, Raya Ramananda was very, very brilliant, scholar, or Rashik Vaishnava, Tattva, having all the qualities. Even a person like Sadhava Bhattacharya could not realize him in his past. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he met with Chaitanya. He used to joke Raya Ramananda, what are you doing? You are wasting your time. Why don't you hear Vedanta Sutra? All are Brahma. Sarvam khalu idam Brahma. Tattam asi. O Pratyan. Ham Brahmasmi. Ham Soham. And thus you will be successful. What you are singing Hare Krishna and weeping. What is this? Don't sing. This is not. So at that time he could not realize. But when he became a pure devotee by the causeless mercy of Sri Chaitanya, now he realized. Oh, how glorious is Raya Ramananda. I cannot touch the feet dust of that Raya Ramananda. Now he realized. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was going to South India to search his brother, Vishwanath, oh, he very humbly told, oh, if you are going to South India, please meet with Raya. His high class of Rashik devotee. Now by your mercy I am realizing him. So you must go there in your way and meet him. And that is why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his South India tour, when he went to Godavari, on the bank of Godavari, he took his bath. At that time, Bal Sannyasi, you know Bal Sannyasi? Very young, very beautiful, more than Cupid of Cupid. And taking the saffron cloth on his golden or complete. So somewhat beautiful, very attractive. He took both into the house and he was chanting Krishna. And in the meantime, in the morning time, Raya Ramananda, with thousands and thousands of Brahmins, all chanting Ved Mantra, or coming to take part. He was in fact collecting language. And all Brahmins were reciting mantra, Ved Mantra. And he came out of the palanquin and he took bath. And he was taking bath, he saw, oh, that very charming, oh, Balu Sannyasi, oh, very charming, very beautiful. He had once could not take him himself, and he went to that and did pranam. He opened, Mahaprabhu opened his eyes and saw, who is this? And he took the hands of Raya Ramananda in his hand. Are you Ramananda? Oh. He began to read Raya Ramananda and so out of passion, compassion, out of compassion. He was trembling. So many Sattviks because were there. And he told very, very humbly, being like a king, not less than it, very powerful. He was the Governor General of that area, South India, in the kingdom of Maharaj Taparudra. So we are very powerful. And he fell on the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu took up the arms. And both became senseless, chanting Hare Krishna and they became. After some time, when they became insenses, then Mahaprabhu told me, I am very grateful to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He told me to meet you, and that is why I have come. Only this reason I have come to this South India to meet you. And I have now realized your so high class of glories. So I want to be with you some bhashan. Oh, I am Sudra. Sudra, you know, untouchable, outcast. And yet, you are being a Brahmin and sannyasi. And this is a large sannyasi, like you are himself Lord. And if even you are embracing me, so how glorious you are. Oh, this is now I am realizing the mercy of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, that he has accepted me like a servant, rather than a. And that is why you have come to give me that. So I am so much grateful to Sarvabhauma. Each other glorifying. Oh, Raya Ramananda, oh, I am Shudra. I am very, very wretched person. But you have come only to deliver me. निज कार्य न है तब ज्ञान आन घर मंत स्वभाव यही चारिते पामो निज कार्य न है तब there is no other anything only to liberate persons and to help in Krishna consciousness, only their job, only one. Swamiji has nothing, any job to make money or anything. He was satisfied in his life, but only they can sing the sufferings of these persons, and he can merciful. Up till when he was, up till whole life, only out of his mercy. He should know also me in his life that I have not come to make any money, to make any disciple. Nothing I have come. Only to help, only to follow the orders of my Shiksha Guru and my Diksha. So, Mahaprabhu, Raya Ramananda, Mahat Vichalnan Nrinan Dehinam Dina-chetasam no annatha kalpate. Same thing. Tirthani. So only for this thing. To make tirtha again like more powerful tirtha. So be merciful and you should be for some time to liberate me. And thus glorifying each other. They were talking each other, and in the meantime a Brahmin came, and it was midday. Brahman requested, "Oh Prabhu, now it is time of taking fast." And Brahmin, so I am inviting you to my house. Please come and I will give you Diksha, Prasad. Oh, Mahaprabhu told yes. He knew that he is Brahman, Vaishnava Brahman. There are two classes of Brahmins. Brahmins, smart Brahmins and Vaishnava Brahman. He was Vaishnava Brahman. So Mahaprabhu accepted. If he was Brahman but not devotee, then he has nothing. Otherwise he has been refused. So Mahaprabhu accepted. And he went and he took prasad and chanting name whole day. And he was waiting for when Rayana also went after taking bath, and he went to his kingdom, and he was also waiting for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Sandhya will be? When sun will set. When sun will set, when evening will be. And when I will meet him. So both were so much as I see that whole weather, new bridge has come here. And also I was eager to meet you all. So I'm very happy to see that. I thought that in weather the gathering was more than anywhere. But here I am very happy to see that better and more have come here. Really, it is the symptom that one will be true devotee. This is the symptom. If you have tasted in high class of association, Hari Katha, then everything is okay. Dharma Sunishtitam, Punsam, Siswasayin, no Pavya, Yadigatin. If you are chanting, remember it, doing so many activities all day and night, or archan, offering everything, but if you have no taste in hearing Hari Katha, after some days you will be weak and you are bound to give up back. And that is another way. But if a taste has come in hearing Hari Katha, he will survive it. So, and then high class of name, pure name, will come. And always, by mind even, you will be in Vrindavan hearing Hari Katha. So I want to give this taste in Harinam that you should have. Even if some part of pure Shraddha in Hari Katha comes, you will use it. So here, Mahaprabhu was waiting eagerly, and Raya Ramananda also, Guru and disciple, both, knowing each other's hearts. And in the evening, Raya Ramananda, he gave up his royal dresses. Only one dhoti, half in this and half like this. Very simple way, like pure devotee. Taking only one servant. No God, no rifle, nothing. Nothing. It was very simple. Nobody God. taken, and he told his bodyguard, you should wait here. Don't come with me inside. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw him and embraced him, running, and he embraced him. So thus to meet. Here, at once, when they were sitting, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, what is the Shraddha and what is Sadhana? What is Shraddha means? What is?
Goal.
And object. And what is? Means. This is called Shraddha and Sadhana. Here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him, you should know that there are lakhs and lakhs objects and lakhs his process. Not only one. So Raya Mahaprabhu asked him, and he told separate classes of sadhya and lakhs kinds of process, both he told. Like, we have so many goals. First goal is to anyhow how we like happiness of life. For this, money is essential. Without money, we can't. Then what is process? To make money, to have any job, to be a servant, to make a business, to be a doctor, engineer, or lawyer. There are so many processes to make. If you don't want this, you want peace of mind and happiness, then give up all this. Give up thought and be seated in a place and chant. If you want heavenly planet, then what you should do? Very good activities. Honor your father, mother. Be with one chaste wife, with chaste husband. Don't divorce each other. Give so many charities to others without care. There are so many things. You can make hospitals, schools, charity, colleges, and like. So these are means to have happiness. And if you want to be liberated, then what you should do? Very easily you can chant name, like Ajami, or you can do like Brahmavadi, always chanting, what Am Brahmasmi like this. You can't do. So there are so many goals and so many processes. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu kindly asked. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked? Whether he knew all these things or not. He actually knew all of this. For example, you should know there is a very big ocean, and from ocean by sun rays clouds are made, and from clouds again rain comes. Anyhow it will come to. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the ocean of all bhakti rasa. And from him, water was saturated and became this in shape of Megha of Raya Ramananda. Clouds. So Raya Ramananda is like cloud. From where clouds came? How it is not seen. By vapor it comes. But also vapor from ocean, and then it goes and makes in a form of cloud, and then in the constellation of Swati Nakshatra, rain comes from the clouds, and it comes in this ocean, west of south, and becomes what? Then that ocean is called Ratnakar. Ratnakar means container of jewels. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, he inspired all Bhakti Siddhant in the Raya Ramananda, and Raya Ramananda again, as a cloud he was, and he saw what was coming from his mouth. Mahaprabhu was questioning and he was answering. But actually all these Siddhants, Bhakti Siddhants, from the ocean like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. So he is questioning and he is answering. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.